Good morning, student. This is your new chapter, Force, Work and Energy. Force, Work and Energy, very important chapter, and in your higher classes, it is also this concept which I am giving here today is very important for your higher classes. Force, it is push and pull. What is push? The force which keep away from your body is called push, right? What is pull? The force which bring or close to the body is called pull. Away from body is called push, close to the body is called pull. This is the force. But for your better concept, force, it is an external effort which try to change the shape, size and position of any object, right? Force, it is an external agent which change or try to change, either change or try to change. Think, this is piece of chalk. I can throw it, I can catch it, I can like this. Okay, so this is the pen. It is not visible then. Look, this is the pen. This is pen. I am pushing. I am pulling. It's drop. I catch it. So what it is? The external effort which change their shape. If I achieve something, then what happens? Something will destroy. What is it? Force, external force. It's change your shape. Okay? You are in rest. I just push you. You will just do like this. What is it? Change your position now. Okay. If you are running and I hold you and you stop, what is it? It's force now. If I am pushing this board but I cannot change the shape, size and the position, it is also force, right? So once again, force, it is an external agent which change or try to change the shape, size and position of any object is called force, right? Two types, push is clear, pull is clear. Okay, push away from the body, pull close to the body, right? Now here are the types of the force. Gravitational force. Gravitational force means the applied force by the earth due to the gravity is called gravitational force, right? Everything always, if you leave it on any object, it will come down. How? Due to this gravitational force. Because earth pull everything towards it, right? This is the gravitational force. Means the force applied by earth, okay, is called gravitational force. Another one is electrostatic force. Electrostatic. Static means rest. Electro means electricity. Electricity means the electron, proton and neutron. Right? You have seen that after rubbing your plastic pen on your hair or skin, and if you take it with a small tiny paper, it pull it. It attract. How? Due to this electrostatic force. This is very important force which you will study in higher classes. Okay, this is the electrostatic force, right? Magnetic force. The force applied by magnet is called magnetic force. You have also seen, you just have a magnet, just you put a nail, you can see that all the nails are attracting to it. Okay, and magnetic force is also used in the collection of the garbage. Okay, in the dump yard, a big crane having magnet, they simply take the magnet there Okay, and all the iron particles stuck on the magnet, and from there they collect. So magnet, and one more thing, magnet having another property. Magnet having two poles like Earth, North Pole and South Pole. Here you can purchase a very less cost of the magnet. You can purchase from your market or toy shop. You can see sometime put two magnets together. You can see they attract each other, or you just bring two magnets, they reflect each other like this. What is it? It means that magnet having force either attraction or repulsion. This is attraction, repulsion, right? So in magnet, the opposite pole attracts each other and the same pole repel each other. Attraction means close, repulsion means away. So magnet having two poles, North Pole and South Pole. So if we bring two opposite poles, means it is North Pole and it is South Pole, then it comes together. And if it is North Pole and again it is North Pole, it repels each other. This is the magnetic force. Okay, right? Now work in science. Work is done by having some displacement, some distance. If I push this pen, it is work done. But if I apply force on this wall and wall do not move, it does not move now. So nothing work happens. Right? So in science, work is said when it travels, it takes some distance, change in distance. Okay, by applying force. This is called work. And if by applying force and no displacement, no change in distance, then nothing works. Right? Or very funny, you came to school, you studied, whatever you did in the school, and you again come back to your home, then resulted you did nothing. Your work done is nothing. Okay, right? Because where you started, you reach at the same time. So this at the same point, so nothing is work done. So for work, it is important having some distance. Right now, it is very important. Energy is the capacity to do work is called energy. What I said about force, it is an external. Right? What about energy? It is a capacity to do work, and capacity is in you, inside now. So energy is capacity to do work. How it comes? Energy comes with fuel. Right now, for us also, why we need food? It gives us energy. Same thing, any vehicle, any car, any train, whatever you have seen the movie, everything needs fuel. Right? Car, bike, how they run? They run by petrol, diesel, right? So this is the fuel. Now electric energy. The energy which is due to the flow of electricity is called electric energy. Your electric appliances, your fan, your AC, your cooler, your heater, all the electric appliances having the electric energy, right? The energy produced by electricity, the flowing electricity is called electric energy, right? Clear? Mechanical energy, which applied by us, it is called mechanical energy. By machine also, it is called mechanical energy. Here is two types: kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic means what? Energy due to the motion is called kinetic. Energy due to the rest or due to the position is called potential energy. Right now, kinetic energy, energy due to the motion is called kinetic, and energy due to the position is called potential energy. Okay, if I push this wall, I cannot change. I cannot change because it having potential energy. Okay, right? More than my effort, so we cannot change. Kinetic energy, simple. You drop you just keep a ball like this here. Same thing as you can put. You will not any kind of hurt. But same ball, if I throw on you, you feel like that. Okay, you have enjoyed in Pitto. The same ball, you put it in your hand, it will not hurt. But when in Pitto I throw your ball on you, then you feel hurt. How this hurting? This is due to the kinetic energy, right? Because now your ball in motion. Now heat energy. It is also known as thermal. Thermal means heat. You have also seen that thermometer means the measuring of the temperature. Heat energy due to the NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation. It also produces electricity. So the heat energy due to the heat is called heat energy, and it is also known as thermal energy. Now the word is geothermal. What does it mean, geo? Geo means the earth. Thermal means heat. Okay. Geothermal means inside the earth there is hot vapor, hot steam is there. By that, using that steam which is inside the earth is known as geothermal. Right? Sound energy, as you know, sound is energy. I speak, I create the wave. Sound is a wave. I create the wave, and in your eardrum it strikes. Okay, it disturbs you. By this you can listen. Okay, in some horror movie you can see that some sound, loud sound also crack the window, also crack the glasses. It's possible because sound is also energy. Windmill. Okay, windmill, due to the force of the applied wind, it creates electricity. So windmill, it is in the coastal area it is used. And water energy, it is also hydroelectricity. Okay, for that dam is constructed many places in India, not only in India, everywhere. Dam is constructed to collect the water, and for the force applying produce the energy, then it is also important. Water energy is it is known as hydroelectric power. Hydro means water, right? And solar energy, you have seen that solar plates, okay, which absorb or collect the light, and in in daytime we charge it in the presence of sunlight, and in night we use it, fan and lights. And one more thing, you also know that photosynthesis. Photo means what? It is light energy, and by the photosynthesis plant prepare their food, right? So this is all about the fourth word and energy, right? Please go through the book, and if you find any kind of questions, any doubt, please send me. Okay, thank you.